To remove this handle, first pry out the sight plug. Pull out on the handle and hold the handle out. Back out the locking nut with a T20 Torx driver until it stops. Then push in on the locking nut to lock the handle in the out position. The cylinder can then be removed. Pull back and out on the handle. And unplug it. You may or may not need to remove the gaskets, but they just pop off. If you need to maneuver the car around the shop temporarily, slide the carrier back until the lever releases. It will then pivot freely and the door will latch and unlatch without the handle. To reload the release lever in order to install the handle, pull out on it with a hook tool and push in once again on the locking screw and carrier mechanism. Do the gaskets. And plug in the handle. Pivot the toe of the handle in and the heel will slip into the fork of the release lever. Coax the lock cylinder back in and tighten down the locking screw. The handle will pop back into position and the installation is complete. And don't forget to reinstall the sight plug.